Fashion lagi.
Well,
If you wanna put it that way.
no bullshit. Totoo naman eh. Ginamit naman talaga eh. So, I don't really care.
Mula siya.
I don't really care. Ang sa akin lang kasi I'm paid to do my job. That's what I talk about. I don't talk about my personal life. So, ang sa akin, that for me, that's private. And she decided to go the other way. So, you know.
Paano pag nagsabi sila, oh, why now? Why are you talking now? Would you say because past na, gano'n na?
Because everybody's waiting to hear my side. Yun lang naman yun. And there, I talk now. And this is probably the only time you're gonna be doing it. I guess tama lang. Promo eh. Nabago ako so.
Jeff,
Ikaw naman, ano?
Jeff,
Ikaw naman ako.
in one interview kasi si Kylie, tinanong siya kung bakit na ikakabit yung pangalan niya dun sa breakup and sinasabi na parang isa siya dun sa dahilan. Pero sabi niya, I know the real story but I'm not gonna tell. So, what can you say about that? So, she really knows what's the real story between the two of you and Carla?
Well, madami kasing komplikasyon dyan ng panahon na yan eh. And, people talking, and sa sama-sama yung mga pangalan and all that, and other names got into the picture. So, I guess, yeah, nagkatrabaho kami before. And during that time, it was when it was happening. So, I guess kung ano yung may pinaniniwalaan siya, hindi yung pinaniniwalaan niya.
So just for the record, wala siya talaga doon sa picture.
Ay, kung andun man siya, I think we'd be together na, but we're not. So,
Jeff, may mga regrets ka ba sa 4 years?
no, ako kasi I've never had any regrets. Kung ano man yung nangyari, it's all memories. They're all good times. Sana lang, unfortunately, it has to go the way.
Sa tingin mo, this Christmas, pwede kayo mag-ayos? Is there a chance?
I don't know, anything can happen naman eh. Anything can happen. I guess only time will tell. As of me, if you ask me, I don't know.
Asap na nga, Jeff. Paano kung pinili na lang?
I'd rather not.
Pero it's not because you're bitter, kasi may mga iba
No,
doon
wala. Hindi ko din naman may iwasan talaga because we do work in the same company with management, things that we should work again. And that's sa kanila yung decision. Wala akong interest. But if you ask me, syempre, as much as possible, wala. Who would want to, diba? Who would want to do something with their past again, diba? Sinarado nyo na yun. Ako nyo uulitin pa.
Paano nga yung
Kasi
kung ano?
personally, kung sa inyo, dapat tapos na yun. And if kung gusto ng iba, wala naman ito.
Working together.
Yeah, yun nga. We have no choice naman basically. If management
sa'yo.
decides to put us together, lahat naman pag-uusapan. We'll see.
Ready ka na bang ma-in-love?
Sabi ko kanina, I don't look for it. If it comes my way, it comes my way. Kung andun siya, kung sino sumama sa akin, sa mga pinagagawa ko, sumama siya.
Ano yung mga pinagagagawa mo?
Sport, jiu-jitsu, kung ano yung mga gusto ko gawin para sa sarili ko.
Kailan mo na ano yan? Ngayon lang mo ba? Recently na?
I've been doing it for quite a while, siguro over a year now. But now, kasi I'm open to doing like more competition, kung ano sumasali talaga ako. Hindi ko iniisip na may pumipigil sa akin. No? So, gagawin ko kung ano gusto ko.
Mas okay ka ba ngayon?
You like it better?
Yeah,
You like it?
much better. Pamilya lang talaga kailangan ko.
Actually, sabi ni Tita Gigi, bumalik yata yung dating Jeff o mas gusto niya yung nakikita niya sa'yo ngayon. Bakit? Saan ang galing nito?
Oh, I guess freedom. Yun nga, I guess wala akong isip. All I need to think about is me. So, wala akong problema. I don't care what other people say or think about me. Kasi ako, masaya yung mga tao.